guys, alright, I'm back with another video, beauty bundles sponsored by Eyelashed Out. So if you haven't already checked it out, they do have the mink lash extensions or whatever you want. So in today's video, we'll be using my Kinky straight hair. Can be found on my website at www.mesmerizedbeauty.com. I have my 12-inch frontal, which is the traditional lace, as well as 3 bundles, which I will only be using 2 in this particular video. So I'll let you guys see how thick and really full the wefts are. So you're gonna get your best bang for your buck, honey. You're gonna get the best bang. And as you can see, the knots are not bleached. They do not come bleached. It is an extra charge for that. If you want bleached knots, just make sure you check that out. And I'll let you guys keep watching. Okay, you guys, so right into the video. I've already sewn the frontal on. If you want to see how I sew my frontals down, I will put the link in the description bar below so you can check that out. So we'll be starting here with the 14-inch, and I'll be showing you guys how to sew. So keep watching, honey. If you want to learn, keep watching. So side note, you guys, I do not sew through the elastic band. So when you're doing this, do not sew through the elastic band because it will make the cap a little bit snug. Make sure you're sewing on top of the band and not through it. Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you a little trick when you're sewing if you're doubling the wefts. Make sure I'm slowing it down here. You're going to flip over the bottom track, sew through that, and then flip over the top track, if I'm making any sense. Here, just so you can make sure that it's a flat surface. You're not going to start doubling again until you actually sew down that first part of the weft. So hopefully I'm making sense. I'll let you guys keep watching. Okay, you guys, so I'm all done with that 14 inches. You can see she is full, honey. You don't even need 3 bundles, to be honest with you. But I'm just showing you here how full it is, and I sewed about 1 inch apart. So I'm going to go ahead and start working with that 12-inch, honey. Oh, you guys, I forgot to tell you. So when I get to the top, I start singling the tracks because it makes it more flatter. So I do not double the tracks when I get to the top. I start to single it, and I was just showing you guys how I open it up and how full the weft is. Honey, this Kinky straight is just life. Honey, it's just life. You just wait till I install it, honey.
Dice is on the beat.
honey, you doing that wrong, honey. That's not how you sew. I know some of you guys gonna be like, that's not right, but I do this so that I can lay everything flat and it comes out seamlessly. So you have the option to do that. I'm going to go back through that little space and sew everything in. So stay tuned for the install. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying patient with me. Make sure you stay tuned for the makeup list transformation and follow your girl on all social media.